Welcome back, everyone. I'm almost there on this build of the BSG. It's been quite a while to get this kit to this point. I'm sure you guys will build a lot quicker than what I did. I had issues with work, being stuck overseas, etc., as you know. But yeah, this is where I am at the moment, and what I'm doing today is I'm moving on to the engine section, and I'll show you what I've done. You do not have to do what I'm doing, but to get the lighting through and to get it to look good without the lights on, if you add lighting, this is what I think would look nice. So what I've done is, okay, as you know, all these parts of the engine are all clear plastic, and I've painted them, as you can see, okay, with a bluish and a darkish grey color. And what I've done is I've used this clear smoke from Tamiya, which is the X19, and then I've used the clear blue X23. And what I did was I used the airbrush and I did the blue first on the inside, and then I went around the rim on the outside with the smoke. Okay, so if you look at the renders which I've put on my box folder, you'll actually notice that this interior part, there's a pointer, the interior part around here is actually the same as your armor plating. So you can close it up with armor plating if you want as well, the decals, and then leave the back clear and then paint the blue. So that's your choice. So what I've done is I've designed these engine parts, the clear parts, to actually slide in to the back of the engines very easily, no glue required. You'd have to maybe clear out the area with a small file, a rounded file. But this is the effect that you get. Okay, this is on the large engines, the upper ones, and I've just pushed that clear section in. That's the back end. Okay, if you want to sand the edges, don't sand the back end else, unless you want to diffuse the light. Okay, and to give you an idea of how it looks, I've got my little headlamp, put the light on, and there you go. Okay, quite a nice look. It might be too bright, I do not know. It depends on what you want. The only thing is you need to light block on the inside because it shines through the sides. So light block the inside if you want to do it. Okay, I did not do it, so I have to push these out if I can. Because remember, these parts are sharp. So it fits in quite tight. If you push it, you might hurt yourself. Okay, these will be fine. Well, the big ones just come out, but these push in. Okay, that's something I did not think of. So I might need to, if I cannot get it out, put some something clear down there, and then like a maybe putty, and then paint it and pull the putty out. It needs to be light blocked. Okay, so I'm going to push in just to show you guys. This one clear. Okay, my parts, there was some solid resin lying in the bottom of the mold. I did not see it. So yours will not look like this. Okay, I try to do quality control. I will not release this to anybody except myself. Okay, so here, is it the right one? Whoop. No, this one. Okay, so it goes in to the gap. As you can see, it just slides in. Use a back of something. Maybe I've got this piece of wood. Slide it in, and it sits flush in the back. Okay, so you do that with all four, and then add your lighting. The reason why I've left the just the camera, I've left this like in this design was you can add lighting through the back. Okay, so for your main engines, you'll need to unscrew your back plates. I think mine's lost a bit of its thread. So we have to just maneuver it out. Okay, please, like I say in all my stuff, read the build document before you build. Watch the videos, or else you're going to suffer like I suffered. Okay. So once it's out, you'll see these two fit into the back of this plate section Should fit snugly, like such. Oopsie. Okay, so this you can glue on if you want to. Okay, basically this simply, you see there is a groove on the back of this that actually holds it in place. Okay, it might be a good idea to actually invert the model before you try this. It's the first time I'm trying this fit, so maybe these parts need sanding, I do not know. Actually, quite possibly on top. A little bit on the right side. Right, he's going in. Oh, there we go, there we go. One in. Just shade the edge a bit. Let's try again. I've got my model here on a lazy Susan to make building easier, especially when it comes to the pods. Whoop, engine fell over. Anyway, I'm not going to struggle with this one. I'll just do the one side. You can see how it looks. And that slides in, and that's how the back end looks with the engine in. Okay. Okay, this one here will just need a bit more shaving down on the edges for it to actually fit in. Okay, not on this side because that's a clear side. Okay, as for your electronics, that's your choice. I've made this front end open so you can add electronics, maybe cut a hole through, and this end over here comes open so you can do over there as well. Okay, so that's it for the lighting. Till the next one. Cheers.